What's up, everybody? It's Trey with Speed Shield, and that is a box with a wheel in it. And we're going to do a wheel unboxing right now. So, as you can see, ANRKY. Yes, ANRKY wheels. They are making some sick hardware. Be sure to check them out. We have a few cars that we've done full builds with the ANRKY products on it. Insane quality. We definitely love them. You guys need to check them out. All right, so this is a wheel that we got for a really good client that has a Superleggera Aston Martin. So, boom. These are the X series wheels. This is the X4. More specifically, the S3 X4. S3 denotes the three-piece. They also have monoblock, but these are the three-piece. And the centers are finished in gloss black. The lips are finished in a satin anthracite. If you remember, a few months ago, we did a full body clear bra on that orange Aston Martin Superleggera. And we did some gloss black stripes with some anthracite border stripes on them. So this is what is going on there, and it's going to complete the look. We're loving the ANRKY quality. These guys are really knocking out of the park. Look at that floating spoke. Looks really cool because it extends all the way to the edge of that lip. We always get the wheels in super good condition. We don't have to worry about anything like that, which definitely is a factor whenever we team up with a wheel brand. We want to make sure that those wheels are getting to us in excellent shape. No mishaps. But the quality of the wheels speaks for themselves. So what we'll do is we'll do a photo shoot with this Superleggera whenever we put these on. We'll do some like before and afters. We'll do a little video of it as well so you guys can see more. I should go get the center cap. Hold on. All right, check it out. Here you've got the installation hardware. Check that out. All right, so center caps. Even the center caps are super good quality. I'm just going to set it there for now, just so you can get a taste of what that's going to look like. It's going to look cool. This is the rear, as you can probably tell, how it's got that deep concave. The fronts are a little bit more shallow. It's going to look great. And we're going to run some massive tires on this thing. I think this is a 12-inch rim. So yeah, we get to fit some nice, huge, fat rubbers on there. Anyway, stay tuned for that. We'll give a video and a full photo shoot. Be sure to go over to our Instagram. Check out what we've just posted at Speed Shield. Later, dudes.